Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to install a windscreen for this motorcycle here. So the windscreen I have is the Mra windscreen. The stock windscreen, as you can see, it's pretty much basic. It's not much to it. Okay, so take a good look because this is the last time you're going to see this windscreen on here. Alright, so tool you need for this is you need a T25 to release the old windscreen on there, and then you need a knife to open the package. I've already went through and opened that package, so let's see what's in here. Here it is, the actual windscreen itself. So we've got motorcycle windshield. I call it windshield. Okay, there it is, Mra S1000 XR Mra. There it is. Alright, so we're going to install this and see how it looks on the bike. So we'll take this out of the package and get on from there. It's supposed to give you better airflow. This is the regular screen here, and this is the airflow going overhead. I'm 6'4", and I got a taller torso, so for me it was only necessary for me to get this windshield, or this windscreen if you want to call it that. And I'll loosen all these four T25 bolts. I'll loose all four of them, and then we'll come back from there. Like I said, my tripod is dead. I couldn't record anything with it, so we'll go from there. I'll loosen all of these four, then we'll come back. And this is the way it's going to look once we put that Mra windscreen on it. That's the way it's going to look. Sorry for the reflection of the sun. Okay guys, this is all the mounting hardware that came with it. So I'm assuming these brackets here, okay, these brackets are going to lined up. These brackets are going to be lined up like so. There, and then the windscreen is going to be screwed onto here. So I have to use original BMW screws to screw these in on both sides, one there and one on this one. Okay, so I'll bolt these on and then I'll get back and we'll see how it looks after I bolt these brackets on. Okay, so these mounting rubbers here, these guys here that comes in the package, these go in these little holes right here. And as you can see, I have two already set up in these right there. So this is already done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do this one, this guy here. So these, you just kind of push them inside. There you go. So one more, and then that's the thick rubber washer right here, and that's the small washer right there. Same thing with the bottom. Big washer behind here, small washer right behind your bolt. So I'm going to tighten that up, do the other side, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, there it is with both of the brackets on there. So both of them are on. They're solid, we're good to go. So now it's time to actually screw the windscreen on. So now we're going to put this on, and we're going to see how it looks from your guys' view. So first screw goes in. And the final screw. And when you're tightening these down, you don't need to put them too tight. They are rubber, and you don't need to tighten them too much. Okay, so you don't need to go too crazy in them. So this rubber piece that comes in the package, you want to put this just around the edge on the outside here. Okay, so you can just measure it and try to even it out to see how far it will stretch. and that's the finished product. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put the end caps on, the end cap onto the edges here. So I'll show you what the end cap looks like. Two little metal end caps, okay, so they go on the edges to actually hold the rubber on. And just put it right on the edge of these rubbers so they don't ever come off, and then you can just use the pliers and squeeze them in. Same thing on the far side. Try to feed it right on the edge of that plastic, that rubber band. Just like so. Then you line it up right at the edge. And then you squeeze it in there. This is what the finished product looks like. That's the edges going all the way around. So now we want to raise this wind deflector up here. So you're going to pull out, push back in, and tilt over. There you go. And that's to deflect the wind off the windscreen. So let me know what you guys think. I think the Mra windscreen look a lot better than the BMW windscreen. I'll put the other stock windscreen beside it, and you guys let me know what you think. So this is what the stock windscreen looks like before. So you'd pretty much have, there's the bolt holes, you'd pretty much have him about right there. That's as high as the stock one go, and then it would come back down here. Okay, so you'll probably get another 3-4 inches, plus you got the wind deflector on there, so you won't get that wind buffering on your head anymore when you're on the bike. If you're a taller rider like me, 6'4", you'll definitely got that wind buffering. So let me know what you guys think. Should I keep the stock windscreen, or did I make the right choice of going with the Mra windscreen? And does it look a lot better on the bike? Let me know what you guys think. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.